Well, hello everyone. I want to welcome you out to today's lesson. This is Jay's Learning School, and I am so grateful that you have taken time out of your busy schedule to come to my channel where I can teach you how to speak better English. I want to thank you to all of our new subscribers, and we're ready to learn today. Today we're going to talk about family members. We're going to learn about 29 words in English to help you better speak and communicate as it relates to family members. So let's get ready to learn. Before we go into today's lesson, as always, I want to invite you to subscribe to the channel and turn on that notification bell so every time I release a video, you'll be notified, as well as give me a like. Your like and subscription lets me know that you are learning and you appreciate and you want me to continue to produce more content. All right, let's get into our first word today, father. Father. I am a father. Mother. Mother. My wife is a mother. Father-in-law. Father-in-law. My father-in-law can cook very well. Father-in-law. Mother-in-law. Mother-in-law. My mother-in-law is very friendly. Mother-in-law. Parent. 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 I try to be a good parent. Parent. Child. Child. My child is 5 years old. Child. Uncle. Uncle. I am an uncle to my sister's son. Uncle. Niece. Niece. My sister has a daughter who is my niece. Niece. Nephew. Nephew. My brother's son is my nephew. Nephew. Grandson. Grandson. I do not have a grandson. Granddaughter. Granddaughter. I do not have a granddaughter either. Granddaughter. Sister. Sister. I have a sister. Brother. Brother. I have another brother. Brother. My brother is older than me. Brother. Stepmother. 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 Stepfather. 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 Half brother. Half brother. Half brother. Half sister. Half sister. Me and my half sister have a different mother. Half sister. Aunt. Aunt. My sister is my son's aunt. And some people, instead of saying aunt, they say auntie. 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 Cousin. 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 My son has a cousin from my wife's children. Cousin. Husband. Husband. I try to be a good husband. Wife. Wife. She is a great wife. Wife. Son. 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 My son is a teenager. Son. Daughter. Daughter. My daughter is 8 years old. Daughter. Grandfather. Grandfather. My only grandfather has passed. grandfather, grandmother, grandmother. My grandmother had a birthday last month. Grandmother. Engaged, engaged. That couple is engaged to be married. Engaged. Relative, relative. That woman is my relative. Relative. Childhood, childhood. I had an amazing childhood. Childhood. And our last family word that we're going to learn today in English is divorced. Divorced. It is sad to see that couple get a divorce, or that couple is divorced. Divorced. Well, I hope you have learned something from today's lesson where we discussed family members. As always, if you have learned something from today's content, I hope I have earned a like as well as a subscription. You giving me a like and a subscription will also teach me or help me to know that you are learning from the content that I am providing. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down in the comments section and I will try to address them. Once again, thank you so much for watching today's lesson. I'm Jay. This is Jay's Learning School, and I hope you join me on my next lesson. All right, you have a wonderful day, and may God bless you.